Hey, tech enthusiasts! Ready for a journey into the world of Agile Project Management? Buckle up, because today's adventure isn't your usual project talk. Think of it as a cool tech story where we're exploring Agile, a fancy term for a super smart way of managing projects. But wait, there's more. We're throwing in some DevOps magic and a pinch of software development lifecycle wizardry. It's like tech teamwork on steroids. So, let's dive into the fun side of getting things done in the digital world. First of all, let's have an overview on Agile Project. At its core, Agile Project Management values adaptability and incremental value delivery. But it's just one piece of the puzzle. Agile, when combined with DevOps principles, creates a powerful synergy, ensuring seamless collaboration between development and operations teams throughout the project life cycle. All right, let's zoom in on sprint planning. This is the phase where the team gets together to decide what to work on. It's like a game strategy session where we choose specific tasks, estimate how much effort they'll take, and set goals for the next sprint. It's the roadmap for the upcoming work, ensuring everyone's on the same page and ready to roll. Now, every journey needs a dynamic to-do list, right? That's where the backlog comes in. Think of it as your project's wish list, a collection of all the cool features and tasks you want to tackle. The product owner plays a key role in managing this list, making sure the team is always working on the most important stuff first. It's like a constantly evolving game plan for success. Now let's talk about user stories, the building blocks of Agile projects. When crafted with the INVEST criteria, they serve not only Agile's purpose, but also align with the efficiency goals of DevOps. Effective user stories enhance communication and streamline the entire SDLC, from coding to testing to deployment. Now, as we navigate the intricate world of Agile, DevOps, and the software development lifecycle, let's not just consider, but actively embrace some key practices that can make a world of difference. Regular communication and collaboration. In Agile and DevOps, consistent communication and collaboration are essential for project success. Embrace change and stay flexible. Adaptability is key. Continuous improvement through retrospectives. Don't just reflect on the past. Actively pursue growth and excellence through continuous improvement, making retrospectives not just a practice, but a commitment to success. Visualize your work with tools like Kanban boards for clarity and actionable insights. Today, we've seen how Agile, DevOps, and the SDLC are interconnected threads in the fabric of modern project management. The principles of Agile, combined with the efficiency of DevOps and the structured approach of the SDLC, create a holistic and adaptive environment for software development. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the importance of quality assurance in SDLC and insights into ensuring software quality throughout the development lifecycle.
This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.